Greetings, Saber fans. It's your old pal, Megtooth Sith. November is going to be a very special month. We've got some special sabers in store. So first off, and this saber is going to be for sale, and I'll put it up for sale on my Facebook page and YouTube page. But this is a Master Replicas 2005 Anakin Revenge of the Sith lightsaber that I brought back from the dead. It's powered by nano biscotti, and it has a Vico high bass speaker, and done a lot of rehabbing. It's got a new metal Graflex gold button. It's got a new gold button down here, and it's got the TCSS adapter and a blue-white tricree. Thing is awesome. You're gonna love it. It's also got the sloth furnace clamp card for ROTS. Now look, this saber, the hilt was used, but the install is brand new. This will be a sub $500 saber. It takes any 1-inch blade, and I can sell you a blade with it if you want. The next project that's coming up is going to be a New Hope MPP in a New Hope configuration. It's got the stock button activation. This has got nano biscotti, Vico high bass speaker, and a deep red green tricree for a real unique flash on clash that's unique to me. This is also going to be for sale soon on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. And again, that's an in-hilt LED, not Teensy Saber. It's powered by nano biscotti 4. And lastly, and this hilt is not yet fully installed, but this is an ESB MPP, and this is going to be NeoPixels powered by Profi. If I get my Profis in, this is going to be, it's going to have smooth swing Vader. It's going to be able to do all that cool stuff y'all have seen on the videos. And you know, the funny thing about it is this saber may already be spoken for. This saber may already have a purchaser, but this saber will go for you know, 900 with the blade is what I'm thinking for that one. So that will be the coup de grace. You know, last year around the premiere of TLJ, I built 3 Graflexes, and you know, I'm kind of a dark side guy. I mean, come on. You know, the best color for a lightsaber is red. Everybody knows that. But, you know, last year when I built the 3 Graflex sabers, that wasn't really befitting of my name. So this year for our November run, you know, I'm doing the 3 Darth Vader sabers. One Anakin pre-armor. One is, you know, A&H configuration, and the other ESB configuration. But they're all Sithy or Sithier sabers. You know, Anakin's ROTS. He did some good stuff with this saber, but you know what else he did with this thing? He slayed children. So this saber is the Youngling Slayer. This thing is bad. And I brought it back from the dead. Really proud of that compared to what it was when I got it. May the Force be with you.